Damage to your home can be a headache to deal with, and while insurance can help cover the cost of repairs, Channel 2 consumer advisor Clark Howard says filing a claim may not always make sense.
So let's say a storm comes through your neighborhood and you got some damage, and the most common thing that people think to call their insurance company about is hail damage following a storm. But it could be most anything that happens at your house, and you figure, I'm paying these premiums for homeowners insurance, I should go ahead and call the insurer. Wait a minute, wait a minute. I need you to think once, twice, 3 times before you contact an insurer for a claim against your home insurance. Home insurance is expensive enough. You make a claim, who knows where those premiums are going. Always weigh what it will cost to do the repair versus what your deductible is. And speaking of deductibles, homeowners insurance now should really only be used for a giant loss. So think about raising that deductible so you're not even tempted to make that claim. I'm Clark Howard.
When bad storms roll in, scammers may try to exploit that disaster, asking if you need repairs to your home. Before you say yes, here are some things you need to keep in mind. Avoid door-to-door offers for home repair work. Steer clear of any contractor who asks for full payment up front, especially those who accept cash payments. And look up the business with the Better Business Bureau to see if there are any complaints. We have a list of other ways you can protect yourself on our website. Just look under links mentioned on 2.